All right, guys, so let's talk about this. Just Welder sent me this hood. The package was a little bit up, but I don't think it's their fault, to be honest. At the end of the day, it all depends who's a courier, like who's taking it to your house, which is UPS, USPS, FedEx, or whatever, right? Sometimes they don't take care of the packages, they just throw them around. Kind of sucks. But anyways, yeah, I'm not getting paid by them. They send this to me so I can review it. It's a really nice hood. I already looked at it, and it came with this. It came with a replaceable, I guess this is the front view. It's this is the front view of the clear lens, but this one, it's like big because it goes all the way around. And remember, it has 3 windows. It's like 180 view. So I haven't tried it. I'm guessing you look at it whenever you're welding, and then you got 2 windows on the sides. That way you can look around. But I don't know if those black out. So I don't think so, to be honest. But we'll try it out right now. It came with the bag. Put this around. It came with the bag. That way you can carry it around, and then you can protect it from, from anything. Whenever you're done welding, you can just put it back in there. Now, I would take some shots from the inside of it because I haven't seen it on YouTube. It's a pretty cool design. It has like a cowboys and horses, like they're fighting or something, shooting. I think this is a dead man's hood, if I'm not mistaken. That's what I saw online. Yeah, we're gonna try it out right now, and let me take some shots of how it looks on the inside. I really like this. The headband, it's badass. It's really comfortable. You can adjust it wherever you want, and you can adjust it. And to be honest, it's really cool. It's a really cool handbag. Take out my phone. That way we can do some inside shooting. So you guys see how it has for the 2 batteries on top, and then it has all this, the sensitivity, the delay, fast and slow, and then it has the shades. It has the grind mode, a weld mode, and for you to test it, if it has low battery, you gotta replace it. If you see this going on, like if you just see that red light come on, that means you gotta replace it. So this is the windows that I was telling you guys about. So I don't know, like I said, I don't know if they're gonna black out whenever you weld. I doubt it, but we'll see right now. And look, this is the cowboys that I was telling you about. So yeah, I'm gonna give this one away, okay? So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna do it through my Instagram, Facebook. So just follow us and like, share, like, subscribe, follow, and tag people. I will put how to do it, and then at the end of the day, you guys can go over to my page and then just follow me and then do whatever we have to do. That way you can get this bad boy home. Chavos, estamos haciendo un giveaway, o sea, estamos regalando esto. Esto me lo mandó Welder. El casco está padre. Ellos no me están pagando, ellos no me están dando nada, nomás me lo mandaron para que le hiciera review. Ahorita vamos a mirar. ¿Cómo les voy a decir? Estoy como con la curiosidad, porque esta madre trae 2 ventanas más. Lo dudo que se pongan negras cuando está soldando, ¿verdad? Me imagino que es nomás para cuando está soldando, uno quiere andar de chismoso y volteando para los lados. Pero lo dudo que se ponga negra las dos del lado. Esta a huevos tienen que poner negra, ¿verdad? Más que nada, uno también cuando busca las cosas es de cómo se va a mirar. Si se va a mirar verde, el color verde de la soldadura, se va a mirar rojo, se va a mirar azul, o bueno, eso lo vamos a mirar ahorita. Los dibujos están con madre. Me vino con una bolsa de Welder, para que lo guardes ya cuando acabes de soldar, lo guardes y pues no se te maltrate tanto, ¿me entiendes? Viene con las baterías, viene con las instrucciones, y viene con un replacement para un reemplazo de vidrio, el claro, el de plástico. Se te chinga pues reemplazas. Ahora, creo que ellos los tienen en en su website en caso que necesitas más. No se les olvide, cualquier cosa que compres de Yes Welder, si le pones el código Arcshow, te van a dar un descuento y te van a dar free shipping. Guys, don't forget about this. If you ever buy anything from Arcshow, if you ever buy anything from YesWelder.com, whenever you're about to check out, put the code Arcshow and you will receive a big discount and a free shipping. So every time you go to that page, think about us. You type that, it's not gonna cost you anything. It is gonna save you money. So remember that, guys. Every time you go to YesWelder.com and you're gonna buy anything you buy from them, just put Arcshow code, the Arcshow, and then you will get that big discount and the free shipping. This is pretty cool, guys. I like the 360 view. The 180 view, I'm sorry. So we're gonna try it out right now. And then we're gonna weld on it just to see how it looks. What's the color of it? That's my, that's what I wanna see. The hood is good, I like it and everything, but I wanna see how it looks. That's what everybody is doing. I'm pretty sure that's what everybody wants to see. All right, guys, let's do it. I'm using a 250, MIG 250 Yes Welder, and does stick aluminum. Stick, MIG, and aluminum spool gun. Whew. It was getting hot, but I have good news. So put the hat on. So I have good news, guys. You see these windows right here? They do turn off. So whenever you're welding, the whole thing's turned off. That's badass. I didn't know that. I thought it was just gonna be like the one on the front and that's it. Now I'm gonna see if I can record something and then just so you guys can look at the weld. All right, guys. I just recorded some. Under the hood. It looks really nice, guys. I'm not gonna lie. It looks really nice. I wish it could be more like a bluish, to be honest. It's kind of like a greenish, getting to blue, but not there. So this is just what I like. A lot of people, everybody's different. A lot of people do green, red, whatever, but mine is blue. It has to be blue, to be honest. But yeah, I did some throw some bits right here. I'm gonna show it to you. I was running a little hot. Yeah, I was running a little hot, but right here. But yeah, it's not about the weld, it's about the hood. So I like that everything goes dark. Once you start welding, once you strike an arc, everything goes dark. Like the whole 180 degrees goes dark. So that's good. I like the sensitivity. So the sensitivity, I suggest to put it on high if you're gonna do TIG mode. If you're gonna do aluminum welding, the delay, put it in slow. Because if you put it on fast, it's not gonna flash your eyes, but like how bright is it? Like the tip of the tungsten, it will mess up your eyes. Shade, you can put whatever shade you want, but I was using shade 10. And it has the grind mode and the weld mode. Chavos, a mí sí me gustó la mera verdad, porque todo se pone negro. Aparte de eso, si vas a soldar TIG, la sensibilidad tienes que ponerlo en alto, que es en la H high. El delay, ponlo en slow para que se vaya despacito. Pero si haces aluminio, lo que va a pasar es que la punta del aluminio del tosteno se pone bien roja y te puede lastimar los ojos como quiera. El shade, tú lo puedes poner donde tú quieras. Tiene del 9 hasta el 12, hasta el 13, del 5 al 13. Tiene grind mode, tiene weld mode. Ya viene con las baterías, yo no sabía. Te mandan extra baterías aquí. So, está con madre, chavos. Alright guys, so there you guys have it. Like I was telling you about the school. So we got the school going on. We only got one spot available. So for people that are asking, we only do 2 students at a time. Like I always tell my students, whenever they come and try it out here, I always tell them, like, go shop around, go to other schools, they see what they offer, go see what they offer. They can beat our offer, or they can do something better than us, then just go for it. Don't, just because you're my friend, you don't have to stay here. I want you to succeed. I want you to like be better than me. Like a lot of people like, I want to be like you. No, I want you to be better than me. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you can. I would really appreciate it, so I can keep making videos and give stuff away. Check out our website. We are doing private sessions too right there. Book your appointment. We do have one spot available here in the school. Like I said, we're only doing 2 students at a time. We have 3 shifts. We only got one open spot. After that spot fills, then there's not gonna be any open spots until next year. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for the support, and thank you for everything, you guys. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, follow the page, the Arcshow Welding Academy, so you can guys know about the giveaway. I want to do the giveaway by the end, not by the end. I want to do it by the turkey, Thanksgiving. I'm sorry, Thanksgiving Day. So, chavos, síganme en Arcshow. Síganme en Instagram, los que ya me siguen, estén atentos. Voy a hacer lo voy a regalar para el día del pavo. El día del pavo aquí viene siendo el último jueves del mes. So, síganme, díganle a sus camaradas y ahí sigan las reglas que vamos a hacer. Entonces, para que se puedan ganar todo esto. Nomás va a ser un ganador. No se les olvide, si están interesados en la escuela, si quieren venir, vengan, trátenla, a ver cómo les guste. 4 horas gratis. Si no les gusta, no hay problema, no hay compromiso. Yo les digo a todos, ves a otras escuelas, ve y chécalas, ve qué te ofrecen, si te conviene, si no te conviene. Obviamente, donde hay 100 estudiantes y 2 instructores, o hay muchos estudiantes para 2 instructores o 1 instructor, entonces está cabrón, no vas a aprender nada. Va a estar difícil para aprender porque ellos van a estar ocupados, no es por los instructores. Los instructores pueden ser buenos, el problema es de que van a estar ocupados con otras gentes cuando tú los necesitas. Pero como yo les digo a todos, vayan y busquen alrededor. Busquen alrededor, o sea, miren qué es lo que les pueden ofrecer, los precios, los cursos y cosas así. No nomás porque seas mi amigo vas a venir aquí y te vas a quedar conmigo. Yo no me voy a agüitar, yo quiero que salgas adelante y yo quiero que salgan adelante todos. Diosito me los bendiga. Por favor, no se les olvide darle like, share, subscribe, y para que todos se den cuenta de esto y que se lo puedan llevar para sus casas. Muchísimas gracias, and see you in the next one, guys.